Aloha YouTube, David Yansen here. Welcome to my channel talking about investing and mainly just sharing my portfolio. This is my M1 Finance portfolio. I have two accounts in here, and daily I will release videos on the performance of my portfolio. As you can see, this side is at 4,300, up 16%. Total between my Roth IRA and this one, I am almost to $10,000. Total between Robinhood and M1 Finance, I am over $11,000. So I did a video on doing a buy for COSTCO, $25, and in my Roth IRA, doing a buy for Procter & Gamble. Their ex-dividend date is actually tomorrow, and I own 2.6 shares, so I am going to be, I should be at 3 shares, a little over 3 shares, so I will get paid by them in August. But what I forgot to do here is I was going to place a sell order for Tesla because I was going to take some profits, and I completely forgot about that. I was going to do it in the last video. It started to go pretty long, and then I just completely jumped to the end, and for some reason I get these brain farts in the middle of my videos. It doesn't matter how much I rehearse it, for some reason I just completely lose it. I'm not sure why. Maybe I should change the time of day that I do the videos, I'm not sure. But anyway, Tesla for me is up 290%, $242, and because of fractional shares that you can do with M1 Finance, I only bought $86.94. and that's when it was trading at $419. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put in a sell order, even though Tesla is up 1,500 and they beat earnings revenue for this last quarter. I think they made $9 billion in revenue this last quarter. So that puts them at 4 quarters straight of profitability. So the stock is probably going to go up even more. And so I thought about it. I was like, should I wait for it to go up some more and then place the sell order? And I thought, no, that doesn't really matter, because the sell order that I am putting for is only for $200. So I might as well just go ahead and do it. It sells tomorrow. Tomorrow is Thursday. The end of the trading week is Friday, and there's no holiday. So then I will place my buy order for either Home Depot or Costco. So let's go inside the slice here, and when finance, hit sell. It asks you sell Tesla. It tells you what my current value is, and we put 200. Continue. Available for orders 200. Current cash balance is 25 because my buy order, $25 worth of Costco, hasn't gone yet. Continue. When 3:30 a.m. tomorrow, because I'm in Hawaii, so we're 6 hours behind. So trading time starts for me here at 3:30 in the morning. I'm rarely up at that time. Sometimes I stay up. Sometimes I accidentally wake up in the morning. And I showed this and explained this in a video. In Robinhood, I made some bad purchases because I woke up in the middle of the night, went to the bathroom, had a holding on my mind, and ended up purchasing it ridiculously high price than I'd wanted to. And they were IPOs too. Not a good idea. Anyway, moving forward, confirm sell. And done. And so I have a sell for $200. So let's go over here. Does it show? Image slice buy. Available for orders $200. Okay, so we'll do the buy for Home Depot. There's a part of me that thinks I should just go ahead and put it in Costco, because Costco's ex-dividend date is next week for me to get paid the full share for them. But you know what? That is what I was going to do. So let's just go ahead and do that, because that makes more sense, right? 328 is what they're trading at right now. I have 153 in plus the 25, which would 225 total that would be going in. So that would put me at $378, trading at $328. That will put me over 1 share. Ah, perfect. And then next week I'll have to cancel this one first. Cancel order. Okay, manage slice, buy. If it doesn't let me do this, then I'll go ahead and do Home Depot, because I've been wanting to add them for a while and their price keeps going up. And even though I think there might be another dip come this fall into early next year, it doesn't hurt to buy into a company that, you know, I dollar cost average in it, basically, is what I'm saying, because I buy fractional shares. So, and Home Depot and Costco are great companies. Costco is what I call a cult company. They have a cult following. People love them. They pay to be a part of them, and they don't shop anywhere else but Costco. So, continue. So, available for orders now is 0. Confirm. And done. So, boom, just like that, $225 into Costco. And that will give me the 1 share, which will give me 75 cents, I believe, a minimum of. For Costco is, looking it up really quick here on my laptop. I believe it's 70 or 75 cents per share that you get paid for owning 1 share of Costco. And Costco has been increasing their dividend for the last 15 years. So, yep, 70 cents. So 8/14 of 2020, I will get paid 70 cents from Costco, and that doesn't include these gains that I already have. As you can see, all time I'm already up $15 with Costco. So anyway, thank you for watching the video. I appreciate it. Please subscribe, share with your friends. Hope you have here it's evening, whichever time of day you're watching this. I hope it's a great day for you. Stay safe and healthy. Mahalo and aloha.